Construction services. A registered civil engineer may engage in construction contracting after being licensed as a contractor by the Contractors Accreditation Board. It is considered unethical for civil engineer to allow his license to be used by any other construction company except his own. Sinasabi dito na may engage lang sa construction contracting ang isang civil engineer pagkatapos niyang makakuha ng lisensya as a contractor sa Contractors Accreditation Board. At sinasabi din na unethical daw sa isang civil engineer ang pag-allow niya sa paggamit ng kanyang lisensya ng ibang construction company except on his own. A registered civil engineer may provide the services of a supporting technical employee as a required of a construction company. He shall, however, be paid the professional fees in addition to his regular salary for any design work he performs for which he signed as a professional civil engineer and/or engineer on record. Sinasabi dito na pag hindi na niya trabaho at tumulong siya sa ibang mga sakop ng project, bukod sa trabaho niya, may matatanggap pa siya na karagdagang bayad bukod sa regular na sahod niya. Ito yung tinatawag na additional or professional fees. Ito naman daw yung pwedeng maging trabaho ng isang civil engineer. Construction engineer, resident civil engineer, project engineer, quality control engineer, cost engineer, or engineer inspector in a project. Special services for construction project. Special services required during the study, design, construction, and operation phases of a construction project may include investigations, reports, and activities beyond the scope of the basic services. These services, many of which are also listed earlier in the section under the category Consultation, Investigations, and Reports, may relate to the client's decision as the feasibility, scope, and location of the project. Sa pag-build daw ng isang infrastructure, bukod sa basic services gaya ng planning, may mga ibang process or services pa na kinokonduct at nakalista yun sa consultation, investigation, and reports. Sa bawat decision mo, kailangan i-consider mo pa rin yung ibang factor gaya ng kung ano yung gusto ng clients mo at kung saan yung location ng project mo. Ito naman daw yung mga special services na pinaprovide ng civil engineer or ng subconsultant by the civil engineer sa kanilang kliyente. First, geotechnical engineering, including test borings, sampling, and analysis and recommendations. 2. Special studies, test, and process determination to establish design criteria or demonstrate compliance. 3. Land surveys, establishment of boundaries and monuments, preparation of easement descriptions, and release computation and drawings. 4. Engineering and topographic surveys for design and construction. 5. Mill, shop, or laboratory inspection of the materials and equipment. 6. Additional copies of reports and construction drawings, specification, and other document as required for bidding and construction beyond the number specified in the Basic Services Agreement. 7. Extra travel and subsistence as defined by the Agreement of Engineering Services. 8. Value engineering, including review of work of other engineers either within the same organizations or in the other firms to determine whether a proposed solution is optimum and if not, to suggest a better approach for meeting the project's functional and financial criteria. 9. Redesign to reflect changes requested by the client or necessitated by the client's acceptance or substitutions proposed by the contractor. 10. Assistance to the client as an expert witness in litigation in connection with the project or in hearings before approving and regulatory agencies. 11. Final investigations involving detailed consideration of operation, maintenance, and overhead expenses. 12. Preparation of detailed applications and supporting documents, grants, or advances for public works project. 13. Plotting, computing, and filing of subdivision plans, staking of lots, and other land planning and partitioning activities. 14. Preparation of environmental assessment and impact statements and other assistance to the clients in connection with public and hearings. 15. Additional studies and design effort to meet special conditions encountered during construction. 16. Assistance to the client in the selection and engagement of architects, other engineers, contractors, and subcontractors, and observation and approval of their services of work contracts with governmental agencies, obtain permits and documents and other services related to the project development. 17. Assessment of complete project's ability to meet its design intent relative to capacity, maintainability, operability, or reliability. 18. Computer simulation and modeling.